So the award was established to honor physicians who spend a majority of their time at the VA, but are affiliated with the university, and reach academic excellence in research, education, and clinical care. And at least excel in one of those areas, have exceptional contributions in at least one of those areas.
I saw a lot of Jack because he had his lab and his base in the VA. Quick, suffered no fools, also took no prisoners, always available, always had good knowledge and insight to impart, and a fine leader of the division at a time when the former division director left, became a chairman of medicine in another medical school. And there was Jack, and he did a wonderful job.
He rose through the ranks to professor of medicine. He was head of the ID division here at the university and section chief of ID over at the VA. For many years, he's been continuously funded with merits and NIH awards, and his research has been truly outstanding. He heads the Helen C. Levitt Center for Viral Pathogenesis. That's what his interest is, in a variety of viruses. He established the HIV AIDS clinic, both at the VA and at the university when he first came here. He also has studied hepatitis C and HBCV virus. And this last one is perhaps one of his major discoveries, 2 publications of his team, and he in New England Journal of Medicine, showing that HBCV prolonged the life of people with AIDS, altered the immune system.
It's really an honor to be selected for this award, and having known Dr. DiBona, I have a tremendous respect. His laboratory and Ula's laboratory were very close to mine when I came to Iowa, over in the old Building 3 of the Veterans VA, and he always had the respect of everyone and maybe a little fear